Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. So, we are discussing the chapter or circulatory system. So, in our previous classes, we have discussed about our blood vessels. So, here capillaries are left, and today also we are going to discuss our heart. So, what are capillaries? So, these are very narrow, extremely narrow blood vessels. That form the extreme network. It form a network around the organs and the tissues of our body. Okay, so their walls, they are the walls of the capillaries. They are made of a single layer of epithelial cells. Okay, so the wall of the capillaries are made up of epithelial cells, single layer of epithelial cells. They connect to the arteries. They connect the arteries to veins, and capillaries permit the exchange of gases and nutrients and also the waste products between the blood and the cells of the body. Okay, so you can see this is the structure of the capillaries. So the red portion, that is the artery, and the blue portion, that is the vein. But capillary is the connection between the artery and vein, and it forms a network like structure. You can see in the diagram, and it facilitates the exchange of the oxygen, nutrients, and also the waste products. Okay, next is our heart. So you can see this is the structure of our heart. This is the human heart. So the heart is a muscular organ, and about the size of a clenched fist. So it is situated between the lungs and our chest cavity. Okay. So where it is situated? It is situated between the lungs and our chest cavity. Okay, with its apex pointing to the left, slightly to the left portion. So the walls of the heart are made of the cardiac muscle. Okay, so the heart are made up of the cardiac muscles, and the contraction and the relaxation occur rhythmically, right? So these rhythmic movements are triggered by a tissue called the SA node, that is sinoarterial node, or pacemaker or SA node, or the sinoarterial node, that's situated on the upper right side of the heart. Okay, so this SA node or pacemaker or the SA node is situated at the upper side of the heart. So pacemaker is responsible for initiating the electrical impulses that causes our heart to beat. Okay, the heart is enclosed by a double membrane sac like structure that is known as the pericardium. Okay, so the membrane of the heart is known as pericardium. So between the two walls of the pericardium, it is a fluid that is called the pericardial fluid. Okay, so it is called the pericardial fluid that provides the lubrication during contraction and relaxation of the heart. It also protects the heart from the shock and injuries from outside environment. The external and internal view of human heart are given. It is actually the external view of the human heart. Okay.